Welcome back. In this video we'll be talking about dynamic memberships. So for that, let's go to Azure Active Directory, and here under manage you can see a row called groups. So click that. So here you have to use dynamic in the membership type. So you can see there are three different assigned and one dynamic. So what is a dynamic membership? So dynamic membership in Azure is a feature that allows you to create groups that automatically update their membership based on the predefined rules. With dynamic membership, you can create groups that are always up to date without needing to manually add or remove the members. These rules can be based on user attributes, device properties, or other criteria. Whenever a user or a device meets that criteria defined by the rules, they are automatically added to that group. So when a user or a device no longer meets the criteria, they are automatically removed from that group. Dynamic memberships is a powerful tool for automating access management and enforcing policies in your organization. So this is the definition for dynamic membership. So let's see how it actually works. So let's see in the example. So similarly, let's take an example of three different departments which we have took before. So the first one is HR, the second one is, let's say, security group, the next one is development group, right? Let's say there is a person called Ravi. So his designation is as HR. So whenever his designation is HR, so this will be adding in the rules. So whenever we add such rule, so before that, let's show me that rule. So in Microsoft here, so let me see that. So this is how the rules will be. So let me check a simplified rule. Okay, so you can see when the user department is equals to sale, he'll be going into that particular group. So similarly, using this, let's say we use the similar rule. Okay, so right now he's HR. So let's say it's not dev, let's say it's sales department. Okay, so right now he's HR department, and similarly we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 applications. So in HR department you have these two applications, and this sec team has these two, and whereas the sales department using these three applications. So initially when the role of Ravi is HR, so he'll be accessing to these particular two applications, right? Before that, when we use these security groups, we have to manually go and change it. So let's say I have changed my role, right? Let's say I have went to different department in which I have kept, instead of HR, I have used the sales. So in the security groups, it will not change directly. We have to include the owner of this particular group has to include this user into that particular group. Whereas coming to dynamic, once you change it to the sales group, he'll be automatically right now he's access to this HR group, it will be cancelled, and he'll be having this sales department applications. So this is how it works. So everything will be done automatically, and while when you create this particular dynamic group, you will be not able to add the users into it. So for example, so let's go to this particular group. Okay, so here you can see members. Here you can add the members, right? Since there is no particular dynamic rules, you are able to add this. Whereas if there is a dynamic rule, then you will be not able to add those users because of limitations of the subscription. I'm not able to create this dynamic group right now. So however, before I have this dynamic group, so you can see already I have these different users in it, but I'm not able to add any user. You can see here, right? It's it's blurred. We cannot add the users here. Whereas if we go to assigned group, we were able to add the users. So these are some of the differences that these two have. So you have to use such rules in order to create these dynamic groups. So coming to the concept, I hope you guys have understood the concept of today's video. If you have liked the video, please click the like button below, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to the channel, and please share the video. Thanks everyone.